So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Trident share. So many people are having questions related to technicals, especially after it has come below the 40 rupees level. So there are various support regions that we need to focus, and the same way, what would be the next possible targets. So we'll try to find out that. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so first, if we try to observe the day-to-day wise deliveries in Trident, so you can see on 29th October, we have seen 38.7% deliveries, and the stock has given almost 0.8% positive movement. So the last sessions, we have seen market has behaved very volatile. So we have seen a little bit of negative sentiment. Again, it has moved to positive side. Again, few stocks, especially all the small caps and mid caps, which went completely down. But again, from the lower levels, we have seen the buying. So these type of fluctuations keep happening, and you should never panic at that point of time. You need to search for average opportunities. So few banking stocks have corrected very drastically, and again they have retraced from low levels. So this is what keeps happening. So market still is facing little bit of negative sentiment, but nevertheless at any dip you need to search for buying opportunities. And in this case of Trident, we can clearly observe, so fluctuations are present in deliverables, but on an average we have seen 30 to 45% deliveries are observed. So stock itself, since the last sessions, it has corrected almost more than 5%, and we know it is also going to declare the dividend. So what is the percentage and all we have discussed in previous videos. So today our main focus is related to technicals. So we'll discuss both on weekly chart followed by daily chart. Okay, so if we try to observe the weekly chart time frame, so you can see continuous 3 to 4 weeks the stock has continuously given the upside momentum, so no doubt about that. And people who have taken at low levels, so they have definitely got the benefit in terms of returns and also in terms of dividend. So now they'll enjoy the benefits. So now comes, can we have a fresh entry? So because at this point of time, when market is itself showing little bit of correction and when huge volatility is present, so can we enter at the current levels is first question. And after that, will it retrace if we enter at the current level? So these are the two important things. So if you observe the weekly chart clearly, you can understand at the top a doji candle has been formed. So what does a doji candle signify? So doji candle signifies actually trend reversal. So that is the speciality of doji. So whenever a doji is being formed for a stock which is in uptrend, so significantly little bit of correction would be observed. And the same way, if it forms for a stock in downtrend, so again from there a possible upside momentum would be present. So these can be two scenarios, but we can't 100% justify that. How? You can clearly see two times here. So here, if you see the weekly chart in the same fashion, so earlier this type of candle was also formed, but the correction whatever we have seen was little. So after that, again it has showed some rapid momentum. So this is one thing you need to remember. So we can't signify that, so it will correct. So for that, you need to wait till it breaks the previous low. So if it breaks the previous low, so then we can confirm that we can expect further correction. So still in the coming sessions, that is on Monday, it is worth watching whether it is going to respect the 35 rupees level or not. So if it respects the 35, obviously you can search for buying opportunities. So if not, you can better wait for the best price to enter. Okay. So this is on weekly chart. So this particular stock on regular basis forms these type of candles. So don't worry about that. So just technical point of view, if you understand. So basically doji signifies trend reversal. And weekly chart, if you see the money flow index, it is near 80. So still the stock is in little overbought region, but not highly overbought. Okay, so next, if we go further towards the daily chart, so this is going to be very important. So daily chart, you can see on that is Friday, we have seen little bit of Okay, it has come little bit down because of the market volatility, as Nifty itself was showing some huge momentum. So on that basis, the stock has almost come down, but as I told in the weekly chart, 35 rupees level is going to be a very strong support. So from there, not exactly, but 1 rupee difference was there, so from where the stock has retraced. So you can see 35 is going to be a very strong resistance, both support, both in weekly chart and daily chart. So keep that in radar. So for sure you need to watch the 35 rupees level if you are willing to have any fresh entry. Okay, so now what if it comes to 35? So can we buy exactly there? So you need to wait. So once it comes to 35 region, and if it gives a perfect closing above it, so then you can go for long position, and first target would be 40 followed by 42. So these can be the near term levels. So 42, why? Because it is the earlier resistance. So once it breaks the 42, so then it will start its new rally. So this is very much clear in terms of technical. So earlier also some sort of pattern was visible where the stock has come little bit down, again it has retraced. So market completely depends upon market condition, so how it is going to react in the coming sessions. If it still stays volatile, so you need to watch all the levels. And in daily chart we can see money flow is near 63, so it is also in a very good range, not in overbought, and it is in a bullish trend. Okay, so these are the important regions, so try to focus that. And any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.